know. I'm never ready for these things. But I finally took a picture of my ingredients to start off. Never done that before. Real chef shit. But you already know, you prep your good shit, your veggies, and then you get your motherfucking meat started. So, you cover that bitch in some oil, get the good seasonings. I just bought this Jack Daniel's steak seasoning to try for today, and it came out really, really good. And I also added red pepper flakes to give it a little spice. My boyfriend likes that spice. And then I started hitting the meat because I thought that would help tenderizing it, but then I was like, I'm making too much noise and I don't even think I'm doing this right, so I stopped. And here I am putting paprika on it so we can get that nice good brown. You know what I'm saying? The paprika helps. Trust me. Wink, wink. And then here we are. I should have cut more veggies. I realize that now, but it's too late. But you put your veggies, whatever the fuck, at the bottom of the pan. Put a little extra red pepper, a little black pepper. Not too crazy. And then I put a couple little butter slits on mine because, butter helps. And I put a little more onion on top. Again, I should have cut more veggies. It's just, I didn't feel like going back and cutting more. So we make do what we make do. I also have no, list of measurements. So it's kind of just go as you go type shit. But it came out wonderfully. I think this cooked for 2 hours in the oven. I basted it and then probably put it back in for another 20. But oh my gosh, look at it, it looks so beautiful. And I didn't forget to make sure you see that the fork went right through it. Makes it mouth water. And then abracadabra, I have a bonus recipe, mostly because my video wasn't long enough, and I was making these because I made a cake the day before that just didn't really turn out looking beautifully. So I was like, ooh, I can make some cake pops because I know it's just made out of cake and icing. Bada bing, bada boom. It didn't really come out exactly how I wanted it to because I didn't have lollipop sticks, so I tried to use toothpicks. And then I don't think I melted the candy right. Anywho, it was a trial and error, but it was something. Don't judge me. I never said I was a professional. As always, thanks for watching my motherfucking nonsense. If you want to see what I'm doing with these potatoes, stay tuned for next week's video. Leave your suggestions on what you think I'm doing in the comments. And while you're down there, subscribe. Bye.